Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering things correctly. Put both WF-1000XM5 earbuds into the case and confirm the case has charge. Open Settings on your iPhone and tap Bluetooth so the screen is ready. Now open the Sony charging case to wake the earbuds. The LED flashing blue indicates pairing mode. If you already paired before, press and hold the earbuds' touch sensors until the light flashes to force pairing mode. Once done, keep the case open and watch the iPhone's Bluetooth list. You'll see WF-1000XM5 appear in the iPhone's available devices list. Tap it to initiate pairing. The phone may prompt for permissions like notifications or audio routing. Allow them so features like call handling work. Wait with the case open until the iPhone shows device connected and the earbuds LED stabilizes. If connection takes longer, close other audio apps and toggle Bluetooth off and on, then retry. Once connected, test audio by playing a short clip to confirm left, and you finish by customizing sound in the Sony Headphones Connect app, ANC, and touch controls, so the earbuds behave how you want. If the earbuds won't pair, press and hold both touch sensors for around 10 seconds to reset and try again. Then forget this device on the iPhone and run pairing from the start. For intermittent audio, make sure no other Bluetooth device is connected and move away from Wi-Fi routers or microwaves that cause interference. If problems persist, fully restart the iPhone and retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.